The 2018-2020 Buick Enclave allows DIY programming of smart key fobs for keyless entry. You can program up to 8 fobs without special tools. First, ensure you have at least one working programmed key, and the new fob has a fresh CR2032 battery exceeding 3 volts. Enter programming mode by inserting your working key into the ignition. Turn to on run, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 3 times quickly. A chime or horn signals programming mode. Immediately press the lock button on the new fob. A honk confirms pairing. Repeat for additional fobs. Exit by turning the ignition to on run and waiting, or by driving the vehicle. This process syncs the fob's RFID chip with the vehicle's body control module (BCM) and theft deterrent system. Remember to test the new fob functions. If unsuccessful, ensure no signal interference and that the battery is adequate. If DIY programming fails, common causes include a weak fob battery, timing errors during the ignition cycle, or signal interference from nearby keys. Weak batteries are the most common problem. Ensure the replacement battery exceeds 3 volts. Check timing during the ignition cycle and avoid signal interference from nearby keys. If issues persist, a faulty body control module may be the cause, especially in high-mileage vehicles. While aftermarket fobs may be cheaper, they often have compatibility issues. Genuine GM parts ensure higher success rates. As of late 2024, GM has enhanced security via software updates, making unauthorized cloning harder. Consider consulting a professional technician if problems persist or the BCM may be faulty. For long-term security, reprogramming after theft is recommended. If DIY continues to fail after battery and timing checks, professional diagnosis might be needed, with potential costs between $100 to $300.